So we're gonna be doing the 3-variable equation today by using elimination. So we have to eliminate one variable. We have 3 variables. We have the x, y, and z. We have to eliminate one variable, and then you have to pick 2 equations at first. I'm gonna pick the first 2, and then the second 2 equation you pick, you have to remove the same variable as the first 2 equations that you pick. So the first 2 equation is, I'm gonna use the first 2, these 2, and then you just write them down separately. So I'm looking at it. The variable that I'm gonna take is the y. I'm gonna remove the y, and then like what you see right here, the negative y and plus 2. You can't remove them, so you have to multiply the top equation. I'm gonna multiply the top equation by 2, so the y will become negative 2. So negative 2 plus 2 will equal to 0, and that will cancel that out. So we're multiplying everything by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4x, 2 times negative 5, negative 2y, 2 times z plus 2z equals 2 times 3 equals 6. And then you just drop that, 5x plus 2y minus 3z equals 1. Alright, 4 plus 5 equals 9x. So you just add here. And then negative 2y plus 2y is 0. And then positive 2 minus positive 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 1z. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Alright, so we got the first equation now. And then now we have to find the other equation. And then it is the other 2 equations I'm gonna pick is the first one and the third one. So I'm just gonna write it right here. So now you see right here, I picked the y to eliminate. I eliminated the y here. So here I'm gonna have to eliminate the y too. So 2 plus 2 is 4x. I don't really have to do no multiplication because negative y plus y equals 0, so I don't really have to do nothing. So that's 0. And then actually the z cancels out here too. And then this is gonna be 4x equals 5. 4. And x equals 5 over 4. So we find x now. Now we're gonna plug in x back in this equation to find z. It's gonna be 9, 5 over 4. Equals 7. So I got my calculator, but 9, 5 over 4 equals to 11.25 minus 1z, 7. So 1z equals, so 7 minus 11.25. So it's gonna be 4.25 divided by 1. I mean, like, that's the answer, so you don't really have to divide by 1 because you'll get negative 4.25. So z is negative 4.25. And now we have to go back to the original. We gotta pick an equation from these 3. Any equation, doesn't really matter. I'm gonna pick the first one because it's the easiest one, I think. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna write it right here. So just like that, and it'll be 2x minus y plus, no, actually I have to plug in the numbers now to find in the y. So I have to plug in the numbers. So x is 5 over 4. So 2 times 5 over 4, and then minus y plus z negative 4.25 equals 3. 2 times 5 over 4 will equals 2.5 minus y plus negative 4.20 equals 3. So 2.5 plus negative 4.25, that will equals to 1.7. No, yeah, 1.7 equals 3. We add the 1.75 to both sides, though it cancels out, so negative y equals 3 plus 1.75 equals 4.75 divided by negative 1 divided by negative 1. Y will equals to negative 4.75. So x is 5 over 4, y is negative 4.75, and then z equals negative 4.25. That's the answers. That's it.